Turn me around. Hey, best friend. Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. Now, this will be the first ginger wig that I tried on my channel, and if you can't tell by my face right now, we got her on together, okay? So I will be showing you guys this install, so if you want to see how to get your wig just like mine, okay, make sure you watch the install so you don't miss anything that I do, okay? Now today is also Sip and Slay, and your girl is sipping on her black coffee because I'm doing my little intermittent fasting and I can't have wine before noon, okay? And I'm trying to, y'all see me, okay? I'm trying to get it together. Okay, so black coffee for me, but you know I'm gonna sip it up later, okay? Now, as always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh, you something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone, flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location.
Okay, y'all, so we got her together. Okay, we got her together real nice, and I'm here for it. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. It is their brand new ginger brown number 30 lace front curly wig. This comes in a jerry curly type of texture, as well as 14 to 24 inches, and the starting price for this unit is about $200. Now I got the 24 inches, which is the longest length that you can get for this unit, so you know, okay, that my price point gonna be a little bit higher. All my specs are right here on the screen, so if you want to check this unit out for yourself, you can definitely do that. But okay, but if you don't want to use your sugar bae, your sneaky link, or your daddy pawpaw to buy this joint, you can definitely pay in 4 with this one. Okay, listen. What's the excuse? They want you to have the wigs and the looks. You hear me? Now, out the pack on my mannequin head, this unit was fitting down big head frilly. Brenda has a 23-inch mannequin head, okay? So I knew it was gonna fit down comfortably on my head. I do have on my wig grip though, so it did take off a little bit of my space. However, on my sides here, if you can tell, it didn't come all the way down on my edges. The unit kind of cuts more on like an oval look. It doesn't really have like ear tabs, you know what I'm saying? So be mindful of that. Your edges may be out. If you have a big head like me, it may not come all the way down. But the way I finessed her and the way she's looking, I'm not mad at that. The only issue I have is when it starts to stop, like, you know, up here and all my hairline is out, that's when we have a problem, okay? But as far as like, you know, my little sideburns, I can work with that. Now the density of this unit is 160%, and I'm actually not mad at it. Normally when it comes to longer units, when the density for a curly unit is under 200, I start to get a little worried. Like, she gonna be a little thin. But this one at 160 is given. It's giving real-time fullness, okay? No extra fluffing was needed with this joint. I didn't have to go on with my little teasing trick to get her together. She's already full. Once it dries down and you kind of start, you know, picking through the hair, it's gonna get bigger and bigger, and y'all, 160 is perfect. They definitely give you what you pay for this curly density. You hear me? Now, like I said, this is a jerry curly texture, and this is not your mama's jerry curl, okay? It's not that pearl. So we are sitting real cute and simple with a little bit of products. All the products that I used to get my unit together was featured in my install. If you didn't watch it, go ahead and double back. That's what the rewind is for. But they're all listed in my Amazon store. I knew the hairline was gonna sit how I needed her to sit because how she was looking out the pack, as well as when I put her on, she was looking good. I was a little worried about the parting space because normally when it comes to curly wigs, especially in a specialty color, the roots can give you away, okay? It can look real wiggish real quick if you don't know how to get that together. For this wig, I went in with my lighter concealer. I did use my L'Oreal concealer in 410, only because I couldn't find my knot eraser from Hair Fetish. You can definitely go in and pluck out some of that hair and that parting space just to make sure it's opened as much as possible, or at least to kind of thin it out up in here. But y'all know I wasn't gonna do all that, okay? I wanted to keep it as easy as possible for this install without doing too much work and kind of focus all my energy on my curls. Now, I did get some shedding when I did my co-wash, no tangling though. I did cut off my ends just a little bit. Normally on the ends of curly units, it gets real straight and stringy. This wasn't too much straight and stringy, okay? The curls pretty much went all the way down to the end. So thank you, Klaiyi, for giving us, you know, what you're supposed to give us, okay? Y'all, I really like this unit. I like the color, the curl, I like the density, I like the look of it, the fullness. I like how it looks on me. This sun is killing me. It's killing me, Smalls. Like, leave or stay. What you want to do, huh? I mean, listen, y'all see this hair? Do y'all see how the hair is looking on me? The hairline is looking on me. Like, no complaints with this joint, and why should I? I mean, look at me. Okay, we're not doing it today. Come correct or don't come at all. Listen, it's the energy for me. Screenshot. Let's see what Kenny thinks. I look good up in this mirror. He didn't even answer. What a hater. Kenny, when you see this, you a hater. Hey, you heard me talking mess? I thought you ignored my call, but it said camera off. I was about to cuss you out. Okay, so how I look?
Look good, Dada.
You like it?
I love it. Can you turn me around? Hey, best friend. Oh, I'm sorry.
Everybody, Kenny.
Hey, YouTube. What's going on? I'll be back.
But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All the specs as well as my direct link for this unit and any coupon codes that I have will be listed down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment,